Hey guys, welcome back to another CP Medic and SWAT Medic video. This video will be posted on both of my channels so that everyone can see it in the world. So, this video is going to be about what every teenager slash child should have in their school bag. So, let's get into it. First of all, please guys, please don't go for a camo backwards with a flat back. So that please draws attention to you. It literally looks like you're younger than you actually is. Like, let's say I'm a teenager. I'm 13. I wore the school bag once, and I got marked as a small child or a child while he's young because I didn't have a military bag. And yeah, we go for something more like a bag like this, a plain black or plain white or plain blue bag that can hold your books and your lunchbox and water, both water bottles. You have to have both water bottle holders, and also for your laptop and stuff like that. So first, you need to have. If I'm an online student, so that means I will go to Teneo and I would go to school on a laptop. So the place where I go is I need to have a bag all my essentials for school. So I pack in this laptop, what I have right now, recording this video, would go into one of these at the back pocket, don't know if you see where the back pocket at the back of the Cuba. I'll put my laptop. Good. Then I would put back in the front, first aid kit, that's what I want to have in my Cuba. At this front pocket or front section, I put in my school bag, put in this one first quickly. And I would also in that same pocket, I would put in a diary, like your diary, not diary, more like a day book, or I don't know what's the English name for a dagboek, but it just meant you write down all your homeworks, tasks you need to do at the day after each class, and then you need to do it after school. So that I also want to keep in a book. Then I keep in a doodle book. Always a doodle book. I like to have a doodle book. Make sure the dial is at the front so it makes like a triangle or a triangle with no point at the front. Then the rest is not really necessary. It's just for gym plans. But if you really want to and you go after school, and take your school back to gym, you can also take your gym plans with you. I'm going to put that in my school bag. Then I will have some because it's examination time or examine playtime of the year. I need to do practice tests of quizzes. Also to put that in here as well. Then I get work on my work as well. What was weird. And then I also put in my play math book. The better would get heavy because the laptop and everything is also in there. Then I have my pencil case. It's a very large pencil case. Go for something more like a plain card. Don't go for a theme. Because it's the same with the bags. Don't go for a theme, then you look like a child. Go for something like this, for example. Literally not let it stand out too much, but also not to be you know what I mean. And in my pencil case, I have my glasses, earbuds because I go in on an online class and need to watch Zoom meetings, a mouse, a pencil or a pazer. Some pen is a pen, the blue Pilot pen, I think. Can you check? Pilot. There's a Pilot ballpoint one, something like that. See, yeah, Pilot pen, my Wi-Fi router, and my sharpener, some glue, press to glue stuff to give a new film break, and the tube or my stuff is in tubes because it's more organized, but you can put don't need to have it in a tube. A Wi-Fi router and a power bank. sometimes school's power goes off and you need to you get power for your Wi-Fi router or if you need to do online classes. So I will also make another video of explaining stuff you need for a normal school. So I'm also gonna put that in a big front pocket. Okay, and you also gonna need a good quality lunchbox. You know, doesn't need to. You don't please don't use Tupperware. Please don't. Yes, please don't. Because that makes there's no place to space out stuff that is wet or slimy like pineapples and meats like that. So you can't space them out. So also could keep that in your lunchbox. Now I'm gonna go quickly get my favorite water bottle and I'll be right. So this is my water bottle. It says Kuni. That's my surname or my surname. It is my nickname. It's Kuni. You guys can refer to me as Kuni or Conrad in the comments if you want. You can say, "Hi Conrad. I want to talk about this and this." It's fun. I don't mind. But please don't call me names in the comments. Please don't call me CP Medic because I'm not a real medic. I'm just a YouTuber. And please don't call me officer because I'm not a real officer. So just call me Kuni or Conrad or yeah, something like that. You can do that. And also, yeah, then you have your school bag in your water bottle holder. Nice and firmly. And also, it's also very must to have your teenager body spray. I have Axe Black, my favorite, and it's a I love this scent. My favorite scent is this one. Keep that one in the other holder. What did I left out? Let's check. I have my first aid in here. Oh yeah. And if you do have a gym membership at let's say any gym and they require you to have a card, put your card on your school bag because that thing goes everywhere you go. So yeah. I gym after school, so that's always nice to have is to have my gym membership card near me. Yeah. But also thing I would like to have in my school bag is extra paper. So I like to do arts and crafts or on my in my breaks I always have extra paper in my school bag. Okay. So yeah. And also I have always a black and a red and a blue pen in your pencil case. And also keep one at least one or two let's say two pencils, normal graphic pencils or normal pencils with when you need to sharpen and one phaser. That's what and always I like to have one protein bar in my school bag. So if I ever get hungry and don't have food, my food is gone, empty my lunch, I can always go to that protein bar and snack on it little by little. Yeah, this is my complete outfit. I mostly want to wear a hoodie in the winter, like do like flare this part out. So I'll also do like a astronaut's a spacesuit without the helmet, but that's not what I'm going for. This looks like it. And my school bag is very heavy because I have a lot of books and I have my full water bottle, but this one isn't really full. It was actually empty, and I got my laptop. And but one thing to tell you guys, also to add to your school bag if you are online student like me, please add your charger of your laptop. If you charge it at night, it's not gonna hold the whole freaking day. It's gonna just hold like a couple of days, a couple of hours, right? Not hold a couple of hours. Then you need to recharge and then you need to ask for someone for a charger. And that's not fun. I promise you. That's not Yeah, that is my school bag and gym bag for school and for school. And I also always like to have like a little or not little, but I want to always want to have a gym shorts so I can always go exercise afterwards of the school. I can do my homework, go to the gym, exercise for an hour or two, and come back. And then yeah, that is what I would have in my school bag. See you on the next one.